and it was so cute. Like the guy, bro, the guy is so cute. I cannot emphasize how much I've cried after reading this book.
I don't want to.
It was so intense, my brain has stopped working. Hello, cuties. This is Muskan, aka Call Me a Reader. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, then probably it is October, and I am making this video right before the 1 month of October, and today is 1st September, and this is like a compilation video of all the books that I'm going to read in September. So this is also, I just forgot that if you're watching this video in October is my birthday month, so you can wish me in the comment section. And if you want to give me any book, I do not even resist. I just say no 2 times because I'm a nice human being. But after that, you can just please give me any book that you want. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, so currently I have started reading this book, and this is given to me by Penguin, the publisher, after a lot of hustle bustle. And I just started this book, and I'm currently on 38th page, and I am going to probably complete it in a week or something. So let's just see. Just stick around if you want to see how much do I read in a month. Okay, bye. Hello, I am back, and it is currently 7th September and 1:56 a.m. in the night or in the morning, whatever you can call it. And I just completed this book, and what a good thriller it is. Like, I literally enjoyed it so freaking much. मुझे बीच में ऐसा लग रहा था कि I might be able to, like, I might have to DNF it or something. But bhai sahab, what a good thriller it is. Like, it was so intense. My brain has stopped working at one point. Ki I just have to take a break. It's something that I just have to touch a grass, or like I just have to go outside and be in the air, because I was so confused with whatever was happening. Okay. And there were so many twists, like so many twists. And this is the first time that I have literally cried while reading a thriller, which is very rare. Thrillers do not make you cry, okay? Bhai Sahab, but I was so close to crying every time I was reading, should I say it? Like, whatever I was reading between Jet and Billy, okay? Billy is such a sweetheart. He's such a sweetheart. I loved him so much. But totally recommended. Totally recommended. Now that I've completed it, probably I will be starting another book tomorrow morning or maybe today in the night. Not so sure. Can't say anything. But I have two options right now. I can either start a sad book or I can start a dark romance. I have not read a dark romance since quite a long time now, but I think I can get it started with. So let's just see. But yes, I'll see you another time. Hello, I am back again with my another book, and this is 9th September, and I am going to start The Forgotten Daughter, and it is one of the sad books, and I was in a mood to have a good crying session. I know it doesn't make sense, like I know, but then I just want to have. So I just want to have, okay. So I've started reading this book, and it is currently morning, and I forgot to see the time again. And it is currently morning, and if you're wondering why I am in my full sleeves clothes, it's because it's raining outside, and it is a bit of wintry kind of weather in Bangalore. So I thought ki I should put this night suit to a good use, and that's why I'm wearing it. And now I am going to make my coffee and going to start reading this book. I'm also thinking of having a like a self pampering session. What do you call it? What is that word? How would I forget that? Pedicure. Yes, pampering. I'm saying pampering. Yes, I'm thinking of doing a self pedicure session in night while I'm reading this book. But right now, I'm going to make a coffee and read this book, and I'll see you on the other end when I finish it. Hello, I am back again, and this is 12th September, and it is 3:44 exactly in the morning, and my roommate is still working. Yeah, that's how it works in the corporate. She's still working, so I have to speak a little bit slower and like in a hush hush tones that she doesn't get disturbed. And I have just completed this book, and I have cried so much. Like, I have posted a screenshot, like I posted a picture on the story of me crying all these teary and everything. And I love this book so freaking much. I did not expect to love this book because I don't know, it's not by a very huge author or even a publisher for that matter of fact, but I loved this book. I loved. Okay, so it's like it is written in the what do you call it? Like a timeline of three people. Okay, so it is written in three different timelines altogether, and it is written from the perspective of three people. Okay, so it's a story of a mother and her two daughters, and how one of her daughter gets adopted, and why did she leave her all alone in this entire world, like not all alone, but yeah, she kind of just like gave her away. It's a very very emotional book. Okay, and I think that I don't know whether I should say this or not, but if you have a very love and hate relationship with your mother like I have, then you will definitely love this book. Like, I cannot emphasize how much I've cried after reading this book. I literally called my mother, Ki, Mama, I've read this book, and I was not able to say it out loud that I love you and I should have been more kinder towards you. But then I think that she gets it. It's such an emotional, like a roller coaster book, and I loved every bit of it. Okay? I think that if you're in the mood of having a very, very good cry and also a very good book, like a very good, why did I stutter like that? A very good book which will also make you cry and which have a very very good plot, like a very unique plot, okay, which will keep you on the edge every time at every page that you read. Just go for this book. I think that you will definitely love it. Okay, and now that I have completed this book, I think I am going to start reading this book. It is Promises We Meant to Keep by Monica Murphy. I have read her book A Million Kisses in Your Lifetime. You can see it here. Okay, so I'm gonna start it next because I think it's been a long time since I've read a good romance book, and I'm craving a good romance book. Okay, like I read a thriller, I've read a cry, like a sad book, and now I genuinely want to read a sad. It's okay. You can just bear with me because it's literally morning, so my brain have stopped working altogether. But yes, I think that I do deserve and I do need to read a really good romance book. So I think I'm going to start it. Not right now, of course. I would have to sleep. I think I can take a leave tomorrow from the office and I should not do that. Anyways, so this is the book that I'm going to start from tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello, I am back and I'm feeling very, very sleepy. Do not even think I have completed the previous book that I was reading because इतनी जल्दी तो मैं नहीं पढ़ सकती हूँ, obviously. So the book that I was reading was this Promises We Meant to Keep by Monica Murphy. And I don't know, matlab, see, this is a good story. I would like to read it after some time. But then I had to kind of DNF it because it's kind of getting boring. See, the plot is good. I would give the book that. But then, I don't know. Matlab, why is it so sad? Love stories are not meant to be sad. Like the starting is also very sad. ठीक है तो मेरे को नहीं पढ़नी थी ऐसे book. I want to read a, what you call it, like a very giddy kind of romance, ठीक है, which can make me feel very happy about life, कि okay, true love exists and all of that, ठीक है. I don't want to read about the past traumas and everything that is happening in their life. I don't want to read, okay. I just want to read a spicy, giddy, love birdish kind of romance, ठीक है. So I had to DNF it, and this is 16th September. Did I mention this earlier? I don't know. So yes, this is 16 September, and I have started this book. Okay, that kind of guy by Stephanie Archer, and I started it on 15 September, like yesterday, but I forgot to update. Okay, and this is going really well. Okay, like I don't know why I even doubt this book. It was just lying here for quite a long time now, but I don't know why I was not reading it because it's Stephanie Archer, okay? It's legit Stephanie Archer, and she is the queen when it comes to romance, okay? Especially sports romance. But this one is not a sports romance. This is a very cutie little giddy kind of romance of a very small town people, okay? And I'm actually loving it so much. The moment I started this video, I told you that I'm feeling very, very sleepy because I have some office ka kaam. But even while doing all of my office course and everything, I am taking peeks and like reading this book in the meanwhile. कि ठीक है, आधा घंटा काम कर लेते हैं, देन आई विल रीड वन पेज, फिर आधा घंटा काम कर लेते हैं, फिर से आई विल रीड वन पेज. दिस इज हाउ इट इज गोइंग. ओके, एंड आई थिंक दैट दिस इज going to be one of my favorite romances ever. Do not consider this with the level of enthusiasm that I have right now, because I'm very, very sleepy right now. I just had my food and I'm very, very sleepy. Like, you can look sleep in my eyes at this point. I'm very, very sleepy, okay? I still have my food left. Anyways, so yes, this is going really good, and I think that I'm gonna complete it in 2 days if I don't have a lot of work, probably. Okay, bye. I'll see you on the next side. Hello, I am back, and this is 18 September. And last night I completed one of the best romance books that I've read. Okay, and it is That Kind of Guy by Stephanie Archer. You know me, okay? You know I am a huge fan of her writing, okay? Whatever she writes in romance, I love all of her writings, okay? And when I read this book, it was in my TBR since quite a long time. I don't know why. I was kind of, just letting it go कि ठीक है बाद में पढ़ते हैं. But भाई साहब, इतनी cute. And I've recently realized that I'm really liking these enemies to lover trope. मतलब I was not that person, I swear, okay? But right now, आजकल I am really loving this trope, and it was so cute. Like the guy, bro, the guy is so cute. Okay, like my cheeks are paining. But it was so cute. I love those books which are romance, which are like good plot, which are good romance, and which will also make you laugh. Okay, it should have that humor. It should has that, what do you call it, like sassiness in that. Okay, and this book has a lot of plot, a lot of that humor in it, and I really love it. I totally recommend you people to read it. It is so cute. It is so cute. Like the guy, he's so cute. Please read Stephanie Archer books, okay? She needs more of our support. And I can tell you that you will like it very much, okay? Her books are really, really good. Okay, bye. I'll start reading another probably romance now. I've already ordered. Hey, Val. I've already ordered a few romance books. I am probably going to get them on Monday. So I don't know how. This is today's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, 3 more days. So I don't know how would I wait, but I'm very, very excited to start another romance book, because I don't know why. Aajkal it's very difficult for me to find a good romance book. I don't know why. I'm not, matlab, I feel that I've read most of them. Okay? So I want new romance books. So I have ordered a few new romance books, and a few of them are gifted by my friends. I'm very, very excited for this Monday and Tuesday. Okay, bye. Today is 25th September, and we are going for a bookstore hop kind of thing, like whatever you can call going to 4 to 5 bookstores at the same time. And I'm reading this Caught Up. I have started it yesterday or day before yesterday. I forgot to update. Okay, a girl can make mistakes. Okay, you can't blame me. So I forgot to update, but yes, this is what we're reading right now, and I am genuinely loving it so much because it's going really, really good. Okay, it's about a single dad falling in love with another girl, and the guy is so pretty. He's so pretty. Okay, so now we are going to different bookstores while we are also going to read this. Hello, I am back, and this is 28th September, and it is heavily raining outside. That's why I am in my blankets and like really cozy right now. I don't know how much does it rain in Bangalore. I don't know how much, because it's raining since, I don't know, 1.5 hours or something, and it's like heavily raining at this point. Okay, anyways, so it is around 1:30 something in the night. That's what I remember the last time I saw the time. And I have completed this book, and it's a sports romance, and it is really good. Like, it was so emotional. I cried obviously a lot, like 2 to 3 times I cried. Okay, and I've also folded the pages, which I really love. It was such a cute love story, and it was also very emotional. Like, I genuinely think that if you want to read a love story which is also cute, giddy, spicy, and is also emotional, you should definitely give this a try. I don't know why I'm forgetting how to say anything. It's probably because it's really late in the night and I should be sleeping, but I'm not able to get over how cute this book was. Like, it was so freaking cute. You people should definitely give this book a try. I am so tired. My eyes are feeling very sleepy, but it's so cute. The guy is so cute. Like, I don't know why, but I'm kind of feeling a bit low. I've been feeling a bit low since 1 or 2 days now. But while I was reading this book, I actually forgot everything that was making me feel low at some point. It was so cute. It's really good. I think you should definitely give it a try. This is 30 September and I have started this book. Like, I'm going to start this book, and though it is just 30 September, so it is technically the end of the month, but still we are going to consider that I have read this book in this month. Okay, I said it, no, let's just consider it, okay, because I've already started it, so it's just fair to me that we will count it in the September month. Okay, that's how it is. Okay. So apart from all the books that I've mentioned, I have also read quite a few review copies. So ARCs or review copies are basically first edition of the books which are given to any bookstagrammer by the author. So these are the ARCs or like the review copies that I've reviewed this month. So total in total, if you consider one by one by MC, which I have just started today, which we are considering, okay. So if you consider this book in total, I have completed 10 books in this month, and I'm so happy with my reading speed because all in all I'm doing quite a lot of things, even with my job and handling this Instagram page. I've also started my another page, so doing all of these things with reading speed, well, with like this reading speed, I'm pretty much satisfied with myself. If someone put a nazar on my reading speed na, no, I'm not gonna do that, but yeah, that's how it is. Anyways, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also had a lot of fun, but it was somewhat exhausting to record every time that I've started or I've completed the book. It was, why am I stuttering? Anyways, so I hope you guys had a lot of fun because I also had a lot of fun. So I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.